Kids race to the North Pole. More stripes. The number of tigers in India is growing. Mountain Man. Mount Rushmore shows the faces of 4 U.S. presidents. Read about this landmark, the President Mountain. On President Day, Americans honored George Washington and Abraham Lincoln. This year, the holiday was on February 16. But did you know they are honored every day at Mount Rushmore in South Dakota? Their faces are carved into the Black Hills, which are located in the southwest corner of the state. So are the faces of Presidents Thomas Jefferson and Theodore Roosevelt. It's overpowering and moving, Blind Ketima told TFK. He is a park ranger at Mount Rushmore. Building big. Work on Mount Rushmore began in 1927. It continued until 1941. An artist named John Burglum designed the monument. He began by studying masks, paintings, and photographs of 4 presidents. Next, he made small models of their faces After that, workers used dynamite and drills to remove rock from the Black Hills. Then they used tools to carve the faces into the rock. Lasting lessons. Nearly 3 million people visit Mount Rushmore each year. It is a great place to learn about United States history, Ketima says. Would you like to go to South Dakota to see the monument?